Here we have the very first hands-on unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This time, it's not just a dummy model, but a fully functional device. On X, tipster Ian Ghosh has shared this unboxing footage of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. From the beginning, the packaging maintains a minimal and premium approach. The branding is clean, the presentation is refined, and the recognizable Ultra identity immediately sets high expectations. The overall design feels polished, sturdy, and distinctly Ultra. Samsung hasn't made drastic changes to the formula. Instead, it has carefully refined it to a very high standard. The flat frame, smoother edges, and premium finish give the device a strong professional look as soon as you hold it. The camera module stands out right away. The large lenses clearly show where Samsung has placed its priority this year. The phone appears designed with photography and video recording in mind, and even before turning it on, it's clear that the camera system is a major focus. The device feels well balanced in the hand, solid in build, and premium to the touch, exactly what you would expect from an Ultra model. Inside the box, Samsung keeps the contents straightforward. You get the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a USB-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, and the standard documentation. When powering on the device for the first time, the display immediately impresses. It is bright, sharp, and extremely smooth. This is an area where Samsung continues to perform strongly. The bezels appear thinner, the screen feels more immersive, and even simple navigation already looks fluid and responsive. Here we have the first official and confirmed CID-based renders images of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. This images was shared by tipster Evan Blass, including the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. These three models are come in 4 colors, including black, white, cobalt, violet, sky blue.
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Listen every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Listen every part of me. So don't tell me you want me.
Popular tipster Evan Blass has leaked a stunning Galaxy S26 Ultra render GIF, giving us our first complete look at Samsung's next flagship. This is not a fan-made concept, it looks like an official marketing animation, the kind Samsung uses before launch. From the front, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is now completely flat. The curved edges are gone, replaced by sharp, clean sides and perfectly symmetrical bezels, giving the phone a more premium, modern look. The center punch hole camera is still here, but it looks smaller and cleaner than before. That suggests Samsung may have upgraded the front camera sensor or display layering, improving image quality while making the cutout less noticeable. The display also looks more immersive. The bezels appear thinner on all sides, and the screen feels almost edge to edge, which hints at Samsung pushing the Ultra closer to a true full-screen experience. The purple wallpaper in the render is not random either. Samsung usually uses its official launch wallpapers in internal renders, meaning this design is already locked in and ready for production. What makes this leak so important is that Evan Blass rarely shares fake material. When he posts animated renders like this, they usually come directly from Samsung's marketing files, making this one of the most reliable S26 Ultra leaks so far. If this design is final, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is clearly moving toward a more refined, iPhone-like premium feel, while still keeping Samsung's iconic center camera layout. This single-rendered GIF doesn't just show us how the phone looks, it tells us that Samsung is preparing a major visual upgrade for its next Ultra flagship. Samsung published a teaser of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, teasing its upcoming camera features and upgrades. Previously, the company used to share teasers once a day, but this time, it's using this new short video format to gain diverse attention. What's different this time is that these videos don't promote the Unpacked event. Instead, they're feature-specific. This same teaser was also shared by tipster Ice Universe, who tagged it with the next Galaxy, further hinting that Samsung is now actively teasing the Galaxy S26 Ultra ahead of its official launch. This year's Unpacked event is still being prepared, and while Samsung has not rushed to reveal details about the Galaxy S26 series launch date, tipster Evan Blass has stepped in to share new information. The leaker posted an image on the social media platform X that looks like an official invite for the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. It lists February 25th, 2026 as the date for the next Unpacked. A blurred section appears as well, which could point to the event location. Earlier reports suggest the event will be held in San Francisco, moving away from San Jose, which hosted the Galaxy S25 and S24 launches. This year, Samsung has pushed the Galaxy S26 series launch later compared to last year, which took place in the fourth week of January 2025. This delay is linked to supply chain problems, including a DRAM production shortage and rising component costs. For the lineup, Samsung is expected to keep its usual three-model strategy, featuring the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. As always, the main focus will be on the premium model because of its upgrades in camera, display, and overall design. Insider Evan Blass EvLeaks released the Galaxy S26 Ultra's official promo image, showing the phone in its ultraviolet, also known as cobalt violet, signature color. Samsung began building excitement for its Unpacked event last week. As February starts today, the launch month for the Galaxy S26 series, leaker Evan Blass has shared the first official promotional image of the Ultra model in its signature finish. Like the previously leaked CAD renders, the official promotional image confirms the presence of a noticeable camera bump on the back. The sensor layout stays the same. Samsung has simply placed 3 large rings inside a raised camera island. The camera bump itself stands out. Its thickness is quite noticeable, which is why Samsung designed it in 2 layers. This dual layer structure helps the phone feel smoother while still being strong enough for daily use. The leaked image also shows the Galaxy S26 Ultra's corners. They appear slightly more rounded than those on the S25 Ultra. The position of the volume buttons and the side key also looks similar to what we have seen on earlier flagship models. The S Pen can also be seen next to the phone. This confirms that the stylus will continue in 2026, although there is no clear promise for 2027. The location of the S Pen slot has already become a point of discussion among fans. This is only the start of the official leak cycle, which is expected to grow in the coming days. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.